Yo,
Boy, I verified.
yo,
I'm
you
been
got
supposed to be
verified after
verified,
that
bitch.
shit?
Nigga, I'm famous, boy. You tripping?
Doing what?
Nigga, I'm all over TikTok. I'm
I
all
ne-
over Instagram,
I
bitch.
don't see you
I
pop
just,
up anywhere.
boy, I'm all
I
over
don't
Instagram too, fam.
see you. I don't see you on
Ask
TikTok, man.
Enzo about me. Enzo tell you. That's your partner, ain't
The
it?
fuck am I gonna? Enzo's pride. What the fuck am I gonna ask him about? Nah,
Man, don't do that
Enzo's
to your
like a
bro.
like a little
You can't
like a
do
little
that,
kid
man.
to me, a little son. You feel me? They say
Bruh,
he look up to me. You know what I'm saying? They talking about you.
I don't
They
gotta
talking
pay
about
for shit.
you pay for your verified chat mark. People is doing that now.
I got motion, real. I got real motion, real life, shit. No cap. Time I show some BBs.
Show me.
No, I ain't gonna do all
Show me
that.
some BBs then.
Boy, you funny.
Huh?
You said what? Boy,
Why?
you funny as fuck,
Why?
boy.
Why you laugh like that? What the fuck?
You said what?
Hey, you got that? You got that toxic bitch pregnant? You got that toxic bitch pregnant?
Boy, you be why
What?
bro, why you be trying to start shit, bro?
What?
Yeah, bro, so why you be trying to start shit though?
I'm not starting nothing. Oh, she right there?
But you
I'm
know
not
how
starting shit. Bro, she toxic. You know this. Come on, bro. I know. I know a toxic bitch when I see one.
see that's what
You gonna
I
see
be
her?
talking about, bro.
You
You
tell me
always
she
trying
not
to start
toxic?
shit.
Uh,
But I'm
sensitive,
saying what
bitch. Stop with that sensitive ass
don't you
shit.
your
What the
girlfriend be
fuck?
toxic
I'm
though?
asking you a question. Don't be.
Be capping like a bitch,
No,
bro.
bro. I got a new
You
girlfriend. I
too
don't think that
like
girl
it's
around.
like you like
Yo, wait, hold on. I got it. Yo, it's me and Amina. You late, bro. It's me and Amina. It's me and Amina
I mean
toxic.
you
Yeah, I
gotta
did it.
pay
I did it.
pay
That girl's
for
not
to
even
be
my ex.
happy
I don't
though.
even consider that bitch my ex.
You gotta
Mike,
pay for her
what
to be
do you
happy.
mean, bro? Pay for me to be happy? Oh, what are you talking about? My girl don't even want money, bro. My girl hasn't even asked me for designer. She hasn't asked me for nothing, man. I gave her a Cartier bangle. She don't even care about it. She still has it in her makeup
She don't
bag.
care about
I gave her a $4,000 ring. She don't care about
she
materialistic
don't care about
things.
your money.
You just talking. You don't know nothing, huh, man? I mean, she want me for me because I'm clean. I'm that nigga. You feel me? And plus, I live this lifestyle. You just not like that, bro. I'm gonna tell you. You feel me? You
Is
still
you still
stuck up in
up
the
$1 million,
apartments. I mean, I'm
bro?
stuck up in the big building. Hey.
You gotta blew the money, bro.
Oh my God, up a million.
So that's all your money. That's all your money went up
Blew the money, right?
to. No
That's all
investments,
my money went up to, right?
no investments. Just a watch the show.
No investments, right? Yeah, I know. Look, Range
Do
Rover,
you own the cars,
Mercedes, or Trackhawk, or
bro?
what?
You
I
don't
got
own
the
the cars though.
Hellcat, I got the Corvette. You right. I finance them. That's
So
owning. I'm gonna
I
own them. I'm
want to
gonna own them.
see
I'm gonna
a
own them right in 72 months. But they're my
look.
cars. They're under my name. And guess what? And guess what's the smart thing about it is my credit is at 750, fam. Where's your credit
Boy,
at? You still in an
you funny
$800 a
as
month
hell, boy.
apartment. You broke. My credit's up. Bro, cause I'm smarter than you, jit. Fuck, I ain't no fucking little rat ass, fucking lab rat ass jit, bro. Bro, my horizon's open, my third eye open, bitch. I'm a woke ass jit with them ugly ass doodoo voodoo ass wigs, huh, man? Them little baby ass tattoos, jit. I got
Them
niggas
boys
in
in
here that
Hawaii
I
gonna take your
influence to
shit
get
though.
big ass tattoos in my own crib, huh, man? What you talking about? Hey, man, what the fuck you talking about Hawaii? That's just
Them boys gonna take your shit, bro.
Hey, did they take my shit?
Take it though.
I still got my change. Did they take my shit? They wanted to take it. You ain't lying. They want to take.
Sure.
But did they take my shit? Hey,
My
do you
keys
drive a
at?
Corvette? Show me your keys. Show me your keys. Show me your keys. And you
Nigga,
got me
I'm not
fucked up. You
talking,
still
bro.
think I
I'm
still
not
date that
talking
black
about the
girl?
black girl. I'm
Bitch,
talking
I
about
got
the
a
girl.
Hispanic bitch. That bitch. Oh, so you still a fan of me? Hey, baby. Hey, who's daddy?
What?
Who's daddy? I'm alive. All right, but
I
who's
can do
daddy?
that.
Okay then. Your girl won't do that. No, you can't do it. That girl
Baby
bitch you
mama.
up. She's daddy. She wear the
Baby
pants, little bitch.
mama, and I'm daddy.
Tell fucking time about I run shit, little bruh. Man, you ain't no daddy. Hey, man, I seen videos of
Nigga,
you
you
getting
got
bitched
no
up ass,
motion,
skinny
bitch.
ass, fucking
Who
A,
the
looking
fuck dyed
festive
their hair,
ass
bitch? You
bitch.
got no motion. Who
You
dyed their hair in the
some
back?
lame, man, nigga. Fuck you talking about, bitch. Show her.
It's not
I
your
got the
shit.
motion. Show me how you
That's
living.
not your shit, though.
Show me how you living.
It's not your shit.
Show me how you living. Show me how you living. This watch is not mine.
Bro. You still, man,
So,
bro.
this
Somebody.
watch is not mine.
Hell no. What the fuck?
Bro, you're gonna make up an excuse because you're insecure. You insecure. You can't give a 21-year-old young nigga his
Bitch, what the
credit.
fuck?
Cause you bitch made. They talking about this today. Hey, people in the comments talking about this tap out. Bro, you not smoking that little ass roach. You stressing like a bitch. Ugly ass shit. Hold on to you, bro.
So,
Nigga, what I spent in one day is your whole life saving, bro. And that's on my mama. Fuck you, Tom.
you say you got them earrings
Yeah.
from Amazon.
Yeah, real motion, little bro. I'm my mama. What the fuck? I'm my mama. These earrings ain't from Amazon. Bro, you talking about when I was broke? When I was broke, yeah, I could fake it to make it. Nigga, I made it, dumbass. Are you clueless? Are you stupid? When I made
Niggas
it,
be
you think
trying
I'm
to
gonna wear some fake ass earrings?
no, ain't
Hey,
trying to
these
say they
Amazons,
must
why did they say this?
fake.
Hold on.
Bitch, I ain't no broke boy. Fuck wrong with you,
Hold on. You broke, bitch. Shut the fuck up. I'm a mother, you broke. If I saw you in real life, I'll shit on you.
Nigga,
Hey, why, hey, what does it say? 10K.
What diamond test?
10K. Shut the fuck up.
What's
I
the
got
diamond
no
test?
Amazon. You can't buy no.
What's the diamond?
Come on, these BBS
Yes,
cluster earrings. You broke. Bro, my veneers are porcelain. They 50 bands, bitch.
This nigga said.
I already had the permanent diamond teeth for Johnny Dang, bitch. You broke, bitch. Yeah.
This man say he spent
Veneers
80.
cost more than diamond teeth, dummy. I don't got no composites, bitch. I got veneers that are porcelain. I got it from 5-Star Smile. The best place to get it in Miami.
Nigga,
Come on,
I know
little
you got your shit done at stop.
Get on beat, homie.
Yes, I do. Bruh, I know
You don't
everything,
even
bro.
know
You don't
where
gotta
I got
lie.
this
You
shit,
don't
man.
gotta lie just to kick it, bro.
Cause you a stalker, you a fan.
Huh?
All right, so I'm gonna see if you're a real nigga or not. Can you tell I'm rich? I'm gonna see if you're a real nigga. All the jokes aside, let's stop arguing. Can you tell I got money?
You got money. You
All
got
right,
money. But
respect, bro.
you ain't
I
invest in
ain't
your
even
shit,
know you
though.
with your ass, bro.
I don't think you invest in your shit.
Come on,
Either
brother.
they lying to me.
Come on, bro.
Or
Come
you
on,
lying.
bro. Come on, bro. How you gonna tell me about investing? You still in the same apartment after 3 years after I
I'm in a
blew
low
up
new
and fucking
apartment, man.
changed so much location geographically?
Low new apartment. What you saying, man?
No, that looks like the same shit. That looks like the same shit, y'all. Hey, didn't your bitch used to date that boot gang shit? That lame man nigga?
Boot my son for that nigga. Boot
She
don't got
dated
no
her. We
lotion.
cute him up. This is hilarious. Bro,
Fuck,
Chuck,
man. I ain't finna
Charles,
say.
you got me dead this morning, huh?
Matter of fact,
so
what Vicky?
stupid. Bro, you flexing your big boot gang ass up, bro. Boot gang soft. Everybody know that. Chill.
I ain't feeling. I ain't feeling.
What?
Huh? Bitch?
What?
What the fuck?
You
I
you
took
bitched
his
him?
bitch.
No.
And his
No.
And
Well, bitch don't know.
Vicky be liking them everything I post.
And he don't care about her. Well, Vicky like everything that everybody posts. Well, Vicky's probably in this live right now, man. But
she stayed watching me. I ain't gonna lie. She stayed watching me, man. Well, Vicky.
Who? Wait. Who? What about her?
At this point.
Fam, well, Vicky be on everyone's dick, man. Fam, Charles. Well, Vicky be on everybody's dick, fam. You're not. That's not a question. Yo, you stupid, bro. You stupid. I heard you got a baby.
Hell no, my baby just got born.
I heard you got a baby on the way. You got a jet?
Why you get that girl pregnant, though?
Congratulations.
I'm 28.
Bro, I'm young, bro. How old you is? See, you 28. That's the age I want to have a jet. I'm young, bro. I'm not rushing.
Not yet.
I want to live my life.
But that's the right way, though.
Because having a baby.
That's the right way. Don't get her pregnant yet. Just know, once that, she ain't gonna lie for the rest of your life, boy.
Nah, that's rushing it. But look, listen. Don't when you have a baby, it's all about the baby now. You know what I'm saying? I want to take my time and still fuck my bitch whenever I want to. Not wake up. I don't want, you feel me? I love jits. It's a blessing. But bro, I want to take my time, bro. I'm 21. My girl's younger than me. Nah, my girl grew up. She grew up with a family. She got morals. That's what I'm trying to tell you. When do you see any fucking assault allegations about me anymore? None. They were trying to that stupid ratchet drunk bitch was trying to put me under, but I still made it though. Can't hate on that. Yeah. Bro, that's why I don't date them anymore, because they ratchet. And that's just my preference. You can't hate on that. They ratchet. Don't cap, they ratchet.
She from the hood?
That's what I'm saying. I don't like ratchet females. Like, that was a phase.
The black girl.
Who? Yeah, she tried to be something she's not. I don't want to give her no tattoo off the face though. She get no clout.
I know she's mad.
I took her off. I covered her up with the spider. Man, fuck that bitch. That bitch is a fucking runner, bro.
Hold, I gotta make a play.
That bitch an eater, bro. You know you won, fam. You know you won when you break up with a bitch and she turned into a thought. You know you won. That's winning. That's W. That's W. And I ended up being with a girl I'm in love with. Mind you, I known this girl I'm dating now, the Spanish bitch. I known this girl since I was 18. So this bitch probably she probably think that I just met this girl. Nah, fam. I always knew this girl and I was talking to her behind her back.
Damn.
Piece shit, bro. I always wanted her. Yeah, bro. Look. Hey, look how I'm living.
Heavy motion.
Vibes. Hey. Vibe.
Nigga, I'm all over
hey,
Instagram and TikTok.
Hey, you pay for that check mark? No, I'm saying though, how you got a check mark? Because Fashion Nova got me verified. Because when I had the Fashion Nova deal,
you talking about Fashion Nova got verification check?
Huh? Fashion Nova got me verified off their face.
Damn, for real?
In 30 seconds. Bro, come on, put me on beat, bro. If you were paying for check marks, is that what you did?
It's a lot of niggas paying.
Yeah,
right
did he pay?
But my thing's like,
yeah, because they doing that right now.
Know them.
They talking about you living. They talking about you living in your
man,
car.
I gotta make a play. I gotta make a play. Be hold up.
You got your fucked up. Hey, for real though, like real. Do y'all like my cut? Y'all like the low boy? Should I